everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a video, which is every Friday. I weekly vlog and upload those every Tuesday, so come back on those dates if you want to see a new fashion, beauty, or lifestyle video from me. I also have a fashion blog, which is fashionxfairytale.com. You can check it out there. I post Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays of my outfit or some lifestyle bits. That's up on there, or you can just follow me on all my socials. I have Twitter and I have Instagram, so those are always linked in the description below. So now that I've introduced myself, we can start today's video. So today's video is going to be on this makeup look. I did it on a whim. It is a fall get ready with me with these very pretty mauve rustic rose orange tones. I don't know how to describe colors, but I did this very fall glam makeup look. As you may know, I don't really do makeup like this too often. I'm not a professional, but I really had fun filming this and achieving this look. It makes me want to go out and into a pumpkin patch or do some fall activity. And yeah, I'm going to show you how I did this makeup. It's not really a makeup tutorial, I'm just showing you how I did this makeup, because no way am I a professional and you shouldn't really be learning from me because I'm still learning on myself. So yeah, this is just my fall makeup look. Get ready with me. To start off my makeup, I already primed my face. I did my moisturizer, morning skincare routine, all that. So I'm all good. So I'm going to start off with foundations. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible. This is in the shade 104 Golden Beige. And then I have my Real Technique sponge. I already wet it, so it's nice and damp. So I'm going to start off with this. I have a mirror right in front of me, so that's why I'm looking down. So yeah. Then I'm going to go in with a second layer. I'm going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade medium today. I'm going to be using this. I stopped using it because I have very dry under eyes, and I think like this made it even worse. But I don't have a concealer today, so I'm going to give this another shot and let's just see if it sticks to my dry patches. I don't really have them anymore because of the skincare routine I've been doing. They're kind of like all gone now and nice and smooth, so hopefully this doesn't dry me out too much, but I heard that it does. So I don't know. I really love this concealer for like the coverage and stuff, but like it creases and dries me out so bad. So I'm gonna try it out, see if my skincare routine helped my skin so it can use this product, but we'll just have to see. I'm gonna be blending it out with my Real Technique sponge. Now that's all blended, I'm going to be taking my BYS matte finishing powder. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this. I think this is also the reason why my under eye circles are a little dry, but let's test it out. I haven't used these products in a while. I'm gonna take a little, then I'm just gonna take this brush and dust any of the excess product. So far it's not looking too bad, and I think my dry skin is finally starting to settle and not be so dry anymore, so that's good. I'm gonna take the same brush and then I'm gonna pick up my MAC Medium Plus powder and just dust it across the rest of my face. Okay, the base is semi-done. I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows now. I usually do that. I finish that and then I'll do my eyebrows, then I'll do like the rest of my face, like my contour, blush, all that. Then I'm gonna be taking this eyebrow pencil. I just got this at H&M, and I just use this to brush out my eyebrows because they like sticking up because they're really long. I need to get them done again, but I just haven't found a place here. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna take my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Brunette. I love this. I just use this to fill in the sparse areas of my brows and just make little feather-like strokes to create brow hairs, I guess. I'm not an expert with brows. I'm still learning, as I said, but this is how I've been doing it lately. Then I take the spoolie side and just brush them out so they're not too harsh. Then to set them in place, I'm going to use the Benefit Ready Set Brow. I love this stuff. It's a mini size that I got with a brow kit when I got my brows done in Benefit. Then I take the Benefit High Brow and all I do is just do a little carving out of the arch, and yeah, I'm not really too good at it, but I just use this to give it extra highlight, I guess. And I just blend it out with my Real Technique sponge. Now that my brows are done, I like to finish the rest of my face. So to contour today, I'm using the NYX Wonder Stick. This is in the shade 4 Universal, I think. So I just take the contour side and just contour out my cheekbones, my nose, and anywhere else to, yeah, I'm not really too good at this. I've been practicing, so I kind of got it down a little bit, so yeah. So sometimes I blend it out with the Real Technique sculpting brush, or sometimes I use the sponge. Today I'm going to try the sponge for the rest of my face, and then the brush for my cheeks. To set the contour in place, since it is a cream, I'm going to be using a powder. I love this palette. It's by Detail Makeover, and it's really well loved, but I haven't hit pan so far, which is amazing because I don't think I can get it here. So I'm going to take the same brush and just mix the two contour shades together and then just apply it. Then I'm going to take that H&M brush that I used for my brows earlier, and I'm going to use this end. I know it's for like filling in brows, but I use this as a contour for my nose. So I'm going to take that same palette and I'm just going to dip it in the warm shade, and I'm just going to line my nose. I'm still practicing how to contour my nose. I really enjoy practicing though, and trying to learn how to get it a little bit skinnier. So yeah, I've always been insecure about my nose, and I always got made fun of when I was little that it was too big for my face. I think it kind of evened out over the years, but yeah, I always got made fun of, and being a mixed race, I don't know what side my nose is from. So yeah, learning how to contour it has been like my goal this year. Now I'm going to be taking the Real Techniques blush brush, and I'm going to dip into that palette one more time for blush. Sometimes I like to mix them, sometimes I just do one of each. This one's more of a peach, this is mauve pink. I think today I'm going to go with like a peachy kind of blush, so let's just do with that one. Usually I would do highlighter next, but I'm going to focus on the eyes now. Sometimes I do it out of order. I don't really do my makeup how it's supposed to be. This is just how I do it. So now I'm going to start off with the eyes. First I'm going to be taking the Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow base and just put a little bit on my eyes. It's kind of like concealer. So today I'm going to be taking the BYS Berries palette. I actually did a look on this last year focusing on the berry tones. I can link it right now. It was my fall berry glam makeup tutorial, but today we're not going to focus on the berries of it. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty. So as I said, I focused on the berry purple shades last year, but I think I want to try like the warm toned orange because I've been seeing a lot of that, and this palette is perfect for that. I just broke it out because it is fall. Even though it's not really fall weather in LA yet, it's still pretty warm. I still want to play with like warm toned eyeshadows and fall fashion. I don't really know what makeup look I want to go for. I'm just going to play around. I'm not too good with the eyes. I still practice every single time I do my makeup, but let's just see what I create today. I know some like plan it out and like do the makeup before they actually film it, but no, I wing it and just I'm filming it as I do it. I'm gonna take this dark orangey matte color in the shade Royalty. Oh, Royalty, nice. So I'm just gonna take that on my Happy Skin crease brush and just dip it in, and I'm gonna try and make a crease. I don't really have too much of a crease because I have hooded eyes, but I'm going to make one, so let's go. Okay, now that's all blended, I'm gonna take a flat brush and dip into the shade beside it, which is a lighter, more orangey matte. So that is shade Majestic, and I'm just gonna dip my brush into it and put it in the outer corner middle. I'm not very good at this, bear with me. Then I'm just gonna take a big fluffy crease brush and just blend those two together. My camera turned off, but I zoomed in a little more so you can see what I'm doing. Next I'm gonna take the next shadow, which is Sundown. It is a lighter champagne orange. So I'm gonna put that all over the lid. Then I'm gonna take the crease brush and dip it into that darker color again to give it more of a smoky outer edge. Then I'm gonna take this brush and wet it with the Fix Plus spray. Okay, give it a spritz because I'm going to dip that into this pretty champagne-y gold shade that is called Glow. What a name. So I'm gonna take this with my damp, not sponge, brush and just place it in the middle of my eyelid. Now that that's on, I'm going to go back in with the shade Majestic and just blend those two colors together with the crease brush. Then I'm going to deepen it up with that Royalty shade again. Then to finish it off, I'm just going to blend it even more. And I'm just going to do my eyeliner now, so bear with me. I might cut out the eyeliner part because it takes me quite a long time to get it perfect, and I don't want to mess up this pretty eye because I'm quite happy with it. I like the red tones, red and orange tones mixed in with the gold glitter. I'm really proud. I'm usually not very good at my eyeshadow, but I think today it's pretty okay. So for liquid eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Hyper Sharp. It's the perfect eyeliner for me, and I'm going to do this and do a little cap fleck and hopefully not ruin my eyeshadow. So wish me luck that they're perfect, or in my case, kind of perfect. So let's go. Done, kind of even, hopefully. Eyeliner is getting easier for me, but I'm going to apply lashes today, which is a whole other story. Like, I'm fine with like doing my eyeliner, I'm not scared of it. It's the lashes that I'm scared of. First, I'm going to use mascara. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I'm just going to do one coat of this on both my eyelashes. So for eyelashes today, I use these before. I'm going to reuse some of these I got at Marshall's. They're like 3D faux mink eyelashes. I'm going to be using this with the Andrea Strip Lash Eyelash Adhesive. So wish me luck because this is a task for me to do. I do have eyelash tweezers, so I'm going to try this. If not, we're not going to do false lashes. If we do, and if I succeed, then yay. The lashes are on. This one is not doing too good because it like broke in half on me because it's my second time wearing them. But I think they're okay. I'm not really used to wearing lashes, so this feels very weird. But I'm going to apply mascara. I think that's what you do. I don't really put false lashes on, so let's see if this like blends it together. I'm gonna go back in with this palette and finish off my eyes. I'm gonna use this little pencil kind of brush, and I'm going to take that orange color in Majestic and do underneath my eyes. Then I'm gonna take that burnt dark orange and deepen it up a bit more. I'm gonna take that gold shade in Glow and line my inner corner. Then I'm gonna take some mascara and do my bottom lashes, just one coat. Okay, I think the eyes are good for now. We're gonna move on to highlighting. I haven't highlighted yet because I like finishing my eyes off. So I'm gonna take the Sleek Solstice palette, and mine is broken unfortunately, but the product still works. So I'm going to take this Wheel Techniques brush and I'm going to wet it with my Fix Plus spray. Okay, and then I'm going to take a little bit of the cream and do it lightly, just tap it on so there's a base for it to stick to. Then I'm going to take this gold champagne color, rub it in, and I'm gonna highlight. I'm gonna do down my nose, the tip of my nose, and like Cupid. So I'm gonna go in and do my brow bone. Then I'm gonna do that on the inner corner. And that is it for the face and the eyes. Now we're gonna move on to lip. I'm gonna take the NYX Slim lip pencil in the shade Mauve and line my lips and fill them in with this. Okay, I could stop with there because it matches the eye look really nicely, but I'm going to take it above and use a liquid lip. So this came in my 24 days of NYX Advent Lippy calendar, whatever it was. This is the NYX Liquid Suede Lip in Soft Spoken, so hopefully this will match the eyes. If not, we can try again and just do a nude lip color, but I want to be adventurous and try a shade to match my eyes a teeny bit, so let's see. Actually, this is perfect. I thought it was a bit more darker. Actually, that turned out to be the perfect lip color. I tried so many swatches yesterday of what to do with this kind of makeup look. So I kind of based my look around this lipstick without even knowing it. I have a few choices. I have this one, and then a darker one, and then I think I had a nude color, more lighter pinker nude, but I think I like my lip choice. That is amazing. Last but not least, to finish off this very pretty makeup look, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. This is my first Urban Decay product. I've heard so many good things. I just bought it, so I'm going to be using it for the first time. Let's shake it up and see if it's worth the hype. Ready? Let's go. Aren't you supposed to like bathe in it? Isn't that what all the beauty gurus do? Okay, let's fan it. And there you have it, my full glam fall makeup look. I haven't been this glam in a long time. I usually don't do makeup this heavy, but I really like it. I kind of want to go on a night out now because I look so out there, and yeah, I finally achieved the look that I wanted. Usually I'm just a natural kind of makeup girl, like either I have no makeup on or I just do a light layer, but this for me is wow. I do like how my eyes turned out. Again, I didn't plan any of this. I just knew what eyeshadow palette to use, what lip I wanted, that's it. But I like how it turned out. And yeah, last year was more of a berry tone. This year it's more of a rustic red orangey kind of tone. And yeah, do I have lipstick in my teeth? No, good. So yeah, I'm not really a professional. I just love playing with makeup. Like I don't really like filming these, but because I feel like I don't do good makeup. I don't know, but I just wanted to film a fall get ready with me, and I think I enjoyed it so much. So that was my fall get ready with me. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look that I created today. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I hope you are too. So everything that I use, I'll have linked down below in the description, and like the eyeshadow colors and the lip choice and everything that I used today. And yeah, I think I'm gonna go now and take so many selfies with these. So stay tuned on my Instagram. I might be posting a picture. So yeah, I think that is it for my makeup video, my fall get ready with me, I guess is what I'm calling this. And yeah, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone! The large mirror, so this, I'm not gonna touch them. I'm gonna leave it at that, and I just dropped mascara on my pretty blanket, and I just made it worse. Whoops. I just did that in one take. Oh my goodness. Yes! Yes! So happy about that. Okay. Yeah, I've never felt more glam in my life.